My name is Lakshman Murlidhar Villar. So today's topic is garbage collection. Garbage collection is the process by which Java programs perform automatic memory management. Java programs compile to bytecode that can be run on a Java virtual machine or JVM for short. When Java program run on the JVM, objects are created on the heap, which is a portion of memory dedicated to the program. Eventually, some objects will no longer be needed. The garbage collector finds these unused objects and deletes them to free up memory. What is garbage collection? A programmer is responsible for both the creation and destruction of objects. Usually, programmer neglects the destruction of useless objects. Due to this negligence, at a certain point, sufficient memory may not be available to create new objects, and the entire program will terminate abnormally, causing out of memory errors. But in Java, the programmer need not care for all those objects which are no longer in use. Garbage collector destroys these objects. The main objective of garbage collector is to free heap memory by destroying unreachable objects. The garbage collector is the best example of the daemon thread, as it is always running in the background. How does garbage collection in Java works? Java garbage collection is an automatic process. Automatic garbage collection is the process of looking at heap memory, identifying which objects are in use and which are not, and deleting the unused object. An in use object or a reference object means that some part of your program still maintains a pointer to that object. An unused or unreferenced object is no longer referenced by a part of your program. So the memory used by an unreferenced object can be reclaimed. The programmer does not need to mark object to be deleted explicitly. Then types of activities in Java garbage collection. There are mainly two types of activities. Minor or incremental garbage collection. It is said to have occurred when unreachable objects in the young generation heap memory are removed. Then major or full garbage collection. It is said to have occurred when the object that survived the minor garbage collection are copied into the old generation or permanent generation heap memory are removed. When compared to the young generation, garbage collection happens less frequently in the old generation. Then important concept in garbage collection. The first is unreachable object. Second is eligibility for garbage collection. Then ways to make an object eligible for garbage collector. Even though the programmer is not responsible for destroying useless object, but it is highly recommended to make an object unreachable. It is if it is no longer required. So that's all about the garbage collection. Thank you.